Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we talk about unable to log in Facebook on iPhone, how to fix this problem. First of all, open setting. After this, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure your internet connection working properly. After this, tap on General, tap on Software Update and check if any update is available. First of all, update this. After this, tap on VPN and device management and check if any VPN is connected. Turn off VPN. Scroll down, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restriction and turn off this. If it's turned on, first of all, turn off. After this, open App Store and search here Facebook and check if any update is available. First of all, update Facebook. After this, go back and restart your mobile phone. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If your problem is not solved, open setting again, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage and search here Facebook. After this, offload and reinstall Facebook. Hopefully your problem will be solved. If it's not working, contact